Are you seriously laughing at someone while they're struggling? I personally am not in the business of kicking people while they're down. Like, even if it is karma and someone kind of had it coming to them and it's all catching up to them, I still don't feel the need to kick somebody when they're down, because what good does that do for me? And I'm a firm believer in what goes around comes around. So if someone has what's coming to them, why am I going to laugh at them about it? And sometimes, not even if like what goes around comes around, but like in general, to see someone struggling in general, like to see if someone is getting like evicted or losing their car, or if anyone's going through bad times in general, if it's their karma or not. I don't think it's cool to knock people while they're down. You know what I'm saying? Especially like if it's something that like, they can get through and learn from, then hopefully they can learn from their life lessons. But who am I to knock you while I'm down? Because I'm not perfect. I'm no angel. Growth is a beautiful thing. That's something I've just been telling people a lot, because God knows, like, the energy you put out is what you get, and I had to change. So, we've all been through a place and point in time where we have struggled, when we have been down and out. So why would we laugh at the next person when they're down and out? Like, who are we to do that? It's not cool. Even if you feel like they had it coming or they deserve it, still not your place or your judgment to knock somebody while they're down. Listen, if you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say anything at all. I promise you. That's what I've been practicing. Like, they literally teach us that in elementary school, and I really don't say anything if I don't have anything nice to say at all. I'm not saying to uplift people while they're down. I mean, if somebody is struggling and it's not against them, don't knock them, uplift them. But if it is someone's karma and they coming back and tell you like, man, I should have listened to you, don't even hit them with the I told you so. You just listen, and then you think to yourself like, damn, I was right. But it's no need to do that to people. I don't get it. Like I said, I'm not in the business to knock people while they're down, because you never know when you're down and out, and you don't want nobody laughing at you. But guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm the worst. I haven't put out a video in a while, but I'm gonna make up for it. So not only will I be posting this video, I will be posting another video as well, because I owe it to you guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. The what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell, so you can get my notifications. I don't know what made me do that, but guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.